So I played earnings and I lost. But did I really lose? The answer is no, I didn't really lose. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you exactly why that is for DNA stock. So if you are a follower of DNA stock, if you have bought in DNA stock, or if you're even thinking about selling DNA stock, you're going to wanna watch this video. Before I tell you any more, don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate that. I would love to grow this channel, especially towards this stock. It's one of the stocks I'm very bullish on. You know, I cover a lot of mullen stock. I've covered Palantir, DraftKings, LAZR, so many different stocks, and we're up on a lot of those trades that we've talked about, but DNA stock, we're actually in the red. I'm gonna be telling you about that this morning. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. Of course, don't forget to stay grateful. It's what I do every single morning before I even look at my phone as I practice gratitude. Don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. I'm really excited about this company, guys, and before I show you the charts and tell you exactly what's going on with DNA stock, I wanna show you something that I think can help you. So I've actually been following DNA stock since before 2023. That first yellow arrow over there is actually when I sold DNA. This was on February 1st and February 2nd. Here's the receipt. February 1st at 7:08 a.m. sold half of my DNA. Not sure how FOMC meeting will go. Being cautious, plus I was in profit, so it's a win. February 2nd, sold my DNA, smiley face. So as we go back at the chart, how did I sell the top? Well, I teach all of that in my Patreon down below, and it's $7 to $10 a month. If you wanna start learning more about this and how you could save yourself from huge declines like that one, join. Here's another one. At $1.58, I ended up buying right at the bottom before this massive run. Above me, oversold stocks on June 22nd at 4:06 a.m. Below me, DNA should bounce soon, riskier company, but trading within these yellow trend lines. RSI at 50, RSI making higher lows, currently at $1.69. See if it holds 158, then could buy in. So we bought in, but we sold it. I told everyone at $2.29 to sell DNA stock on July 18th at 10:37 a.m. So I didn't catch the top, but I caught it before the major sell-off. But I am currently down on DNA stock because I bought in at 204 and we are trading at $1.87. So again, I lost the earnings call, but my long-term perspective for DNA is much higher than $2.04. If you want to join an amazing community, join the links down below, a lot of cool stuff. You can even see in front of you that Cathie Wood loaded up more of DNA stock after the Q2 earnings. So Q2 earnings, we popped and then we completely sold off. Cathie Wood bought a lot more of DNA stock, and I've looked at Cathie Wood's history and she's never sold any DNA, she's only purchased. So she obviously has a long-term perspective on DNA. Also, I think it's a really interesting company. I think it could be very successful in our future over the next 12 to 24 months. And you can see I said bloodbath today, but zoom out. So I think my new motto is gonna be buy and hold and sell sometimes. And that's really our strategy in the Patreon is we look for areas where we could buy, sell, make a quick profit. And we also look at stocks that I believe are long-term holds that I think will make you a lot of money over these next couple years. Here's some highlights from their earnings if you missed it. So Ginkgo ended Q2 2023 with approximately 1.1 billion in cash and cash equivalents, providing a strong multi-year runway as Ginkgo continues to drive towards profitability. So this is huge because remember Palantir before their massive run? They had a lot of cash and they were collecting cash also, just kind of like this company. They weren't profitable yet. Now Palantir's profitable, and they're obviously priced at over $15 right now. They ran from $7 all the way up to $20. Well, with DNA stock, we're trading at $1.87 right now. And I think this stock will go much higher. Of course, not being financial advice, just my own opinion by looking at the charts, looking at the news, and really what the company does. Now I have updated, I'm gonna say it again, the Patreon, because I just think there's so much value for very little money. I updated the Patreon exactly my next price target for this stock, and I've been right so far. Right? You look at my history, I've been correct with this stock, except the last time. I'm down a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. If we go lower and I have a certain price target that if we hit, I will be buying a lot more of this stock. But if this is the bottom, which I do think this could be a strong bottom because we were traced down to the 618 level right there, my next price target is much higher. So again, if you want to know exactly my price target, check out the Patreon down below. But again, guys, this is looking pretty good. Just looking at technicals, the RSI right now is obviously trading at 20. No, I'm sorry, not 20. The RSI is currently trading at 43, which is starting to get oversold. The stochastic is very low, and usually it starts to curl and we start to run. Hopefully this video was helpful. This is a stock I will be covering, so don't forget to drop a like so we can get this out to more people and start moving this channel a lot higher with this stock. And I hope you enjoy your weekend and have a great one.